G'day guys, here we're going to take a look at the TID 18 impact driver. Here I'll show you the product features, the accessories and consumables, and also show you how to get the most out of it. So we'll have a look at the features on the impact driver. So firstly, we've got a standard hex drive for the bit. So with this one, we can just push that directly in the front to lock it in. And then to release it, we can just pull that collar forward to release that. So they're just standard bits that will go into there. We can use the shorter bits with the tool holders as well. And down here, we've just got a bit holder, magnetic bit holder, so we can store those bits in there when we're not using them. We've got forward and reverse just here, the switch, and different types of batteries. So a high-powered battery here, a compact battery, lighter weight, and then a larger amp hour battery as well for it. So when we do pull the trigger, we get the LED display which shines up at the bit. So it allows that if we're working in a cupboard or a dark area, it always gives us some light through there. We've got our setting modes on here, 3 speeds and also T mode. So T mode's designed so that when we're using self-tapping screws into thinner metal, it'll spin a bit faster and then control the drive into the metal. We've got the first speed at 1200 RPM. We've got the second speed at 2000 RPM, and the fastest speed there is at 3200 RPM. So it's giving you really good variance to use with different materials. Also with that, we've got a belt clip. So this can be located either on the left or the right hand side of the tool. So we can just screw that into the front of the tool, and that'll hold that belt clip. Just to give you a bit of an overview on the accessories that we can get for the impact driver. So we've got a couple of different battery options, particularly if we want lighter weight. There's a high-powered batteries, longer amp hours. We've got the larger amp hour batteries for those. Airstream technology, so batteries here for fast charging for Airstream. As we mentioned, standard fittings, as far as all the standard fittings on the market, 1/4-inch drive to go into the hex of the impact driver. And if we do want to use smaller bits and use them, we can also use a tool holder here. So we can snap our bits into there, put it into the impact driver, and the benefit of this too is that it becomes magnetic. So where we're trying to reach down the back of cabinets, makes it a lot easier. So this just gives you an idea of the few of the options that's available for the impact driver. Just a couple of maintenance tips for you to get the most out of the tool. Firstly, with the battery, the charger and the tool, it's important that you keep the charging terminals and that clean. So the charging terminals here, but particularly the ones in the charger, sometimes where these are mounted vertically can be even better, but just not allowing a lot of material to sit into the charging area, and the same with the tool in there. So that'll just give you the best charging capacity all the time. The next one is with the tool itself. We've got the little outlets here for the cooling air to run through. We just need to make sure that they're always clean and clear, so we can even blow them out every now and again. Will also be a good benefit for the tool. And the last thing is with the EC-TEC, which is on most of the Festool cordless equipment, the drills. This is a standard bit that goes into our impact driver, and you can see the difference here is the recess that's in these bits here. So there's nothing in the EC-TEC that's compatible with the impact driver. It's all standard bits. Okay, that's it for this guide. This will ensure that you get the most out of your system. If you need any further support or information, go to festool.com.au.